everybody, we're picking the winner for the redraw of the sock yarn. The winner didn't contact me within the 7 days, so I'm going to copy the URL. We're going to go to random YouTube random.org. I'm going to paste the URL in there, add comment replies, filter for duplicate users, answer the sum, and then get comments. And then we've got 132 comments. Thank you, everybody. Good luck, everybody. And don't forget, the winner has 7 days to contact me to claim this yarn. So good luck, everybody. Let's see who the winner is. Mary's Fibre Creations. Hi Linda, what a lovely sock yarn you chose to share with a lucky person. It was so nice of your sister to make something for you to put into this lovely generous giveaway. Thank you for the chance. Have a lovely and crafty blessed week. So Mary, let me see, there we go. Congratulations, Mary's Fibre Creations. Mary, you've got 7 days to contact me. My email address is in the description box below. Thank you, everybody, for taking part. Don't forget, there's a new one starting on Sunday. This is going live on Saturday. So congratulations, Mary, and thank you, everybody. Take care, everybody. Stay safe, but more importantly, guys, be kind to you. Bye-bye.